So guys, I given a command best GitHub repository regarding AI agent or model. Let's discuss. So always write let's discuss. Then it will give you a direction how to go further. Okay. So let's discuss and we started it. Nice. There are a bunch of really solid GitHub repository out there depending on what kind of AI agent or model you are. AutoGPT, top GitHub repository for AI agents. Okay, so what it is? One of the OG autonomous agent using GPT-4 to perform tasks automatically with minimal human input. Okay, GPT Engineer, best for task automation, goal completion, multi-step reasoning. Okay, downside can be inefficient and overkill for simpler tasks. Okay, GPT Engineer, so 50K plus star. What it is? Let GPT build entire project from a single prompt. You give high level instruction and it scaffolds full code base. Best for code base generation, prototypes, ideas to MVP. So guys who want to build something, this one is for you, GPT Engineer. Next, LangChain. So LangChain star 70K plus. What it is? Framework to build application with LLMs. Nice. Integrated tools, memory, agent, and more. Nice. So guys who want to like integrate memory or RAG function, they can use LangChain. Best for building agent that can use tool, example web calculator, chaining reasoning steps, knowledge agents, pro tips work best with OpenAI or similar API. Nice. Baby AGI. Star 20K plus. What it is? Inspired by AutoGPT but simpler and learner. Use a task view to iteratively complete a goal. Best for conceptualization, how task prioritization and memory might work in AGI. Nice. So it will be more around future. Open interpretation. 40K plus star. What it is? Chat with your computer, an open source version of OpenAI code interpreter, best for running Python commands in real time with natural language personal assistance. So this is really amazing and I want to explore it in further. So why I want to explore it? Running Python command in real time with natural language, personal assistant tool, chat with your computer, an open source version of OpenAI code interpreter. Nice. That's like very amazing function. You can open your own code base and you can chat with that. Nice. Chat GPT retrieval plugin, 12K plus plugin for GPT to search through your document using vector database. Best for custom question a agent or your own PDF data. That is also a very useful case. You can integrate with your own businesses and like give more detailing to ChatGPT and it will be fine tuned on your own data. Honorable mentions Transformer by Hugging Face. If you are looking to train or fine tune model, so Hugging Face is providing free models, so you can go and use this. Crew AI, a newer agent framework for orchestrating multiple AI agent as a team. Okay, so if you want to build a whole company using AI agents, you can use Crew AI. Camel AI agent talking to each other to solve tasks collaboratively. Fuck, very nice, very amazing. So this is the future, bro. So what are you most interested in? So guys, like let me know. You want to build your own AI agent? Go to with LangChain or CrewAI. You want to auto code or launch product idea fast? GPT Engineer or Auto GPT. You want to do R&D, fine tuning, Hugging Face, Transformer, PEFT and LoRa tools. You want make to tools that talks to files, web, LangChain, retrieval plugin or open interpretation. So guys, you can comment what do you want and just go to the chat gpt and ask and just discuss and have a conversation with chat gpt like you are having a conversation with your girlfriend. Always do that in a day. You can like have a conversation for nearly 30 minutes and it will be a huge guidance for you. You can use chat gpt as your mentor. So guys, thank you for this github repos. I will come again and I will show you one by one what github repository is saying and what is it used for. And you can check my previous video about the how to automate Instagram. Thank you guys.